Out in East LA, we got Nike Community Store, we got Foot Locker Outlet. Let's go. Do got some 12.5 Sabrinas, 11 men's going for 80. I think I'm gonna pick these up 80 for the KD 16s. They got these donks going for 85. Regular KDs for 110. This is what I was really hoping to find. They got it for $2, so that's an 8.5. No refurbs for these, dang it. Yeah, same thing here, dude. Dang it. Dang it. Checking the women's. Look at this. Women's 110 right here. Holy cow. These are even cheaper. Remember, you get an extra 30% off, so $70 for these. They got a few of the patent breads right there, or the satin breads, my bad. They got these down to 100, but only on smaller sizes. $70 after discount is crazy. Biggest one of these, 9.5 women's satin breads. Is that cheaper than what I got mine for? Dang it. Back in the men's, they do still have one of these. These are size 12, Jordan 1 Retro, $100, so 70 after discount. Or one of the staff members, he's walking around. One that be tripping about me taking a video. I'm just gonna pay for these. I'm out. Let's go. Wait, I'll check out the Jordans for you guys. Don't see nothing too crazy. They do got these. That's the lowest we've seen those. Got all kinds of sizes. They got Kobe's over there. What's going on here? I'm gonna go see what size they have. They got Kobe's though. They got the girl dads. What the hell? Yeah, they did have a few of the Kobe GGs, size 6.5, size 8, 8.5. And I did call one of the homegirls. She did not pick up. So, hey, you snooze, you lose. It is what it is. But yeah, man, that's pretty much Nike Outlet East LA. All right, that is a hell of a find. $61 after taxes. I think it was like $56 before taxes for $150 shoes. Not bad, not bad. For the Kobe's, I did see a reseller in line. She's probably gonna grab at least one. I don't know. Did they let them grab multiple? I don't know. Oh, they do have. They redid their Flex app. I need to make a video about that. Big changes. Something that hasn't changed here. 50% off. Pretty much everything. Just Jordan Retros and Dunks not included. And I see some things here that are cheaper than I've seen at any other store. Holy cow. So I've been looking for one of the homies for basketball shoes, and look at this. This is the cheapest we've ever seen. This $40 for these. I might see if they have a size 12. That's definitely the cheapest I've ever seen with these right here. Seen Henry a few times on the channel. He's a big supporter. Appreciate you. But we've talked for like 20 minutes. Talk about sneakers and stuff like that. That's pretty dope. We talked at East LA, and then we talked here again. He's following me around. No, but whenever you come out here, you have to stop by both stores. That's East LA has discounts, and this one, look, $40. They do have a size 12. I'm gonna grab one of these for my boy. See which one he likes. Here you can do size swaps. You can't do returns, but you can do size swaps and stuff. So, you know, worst case scenario, if he doesn't want this one, I might just grab my size. You know, $40. That's hella cheap. All right, now that I did get my pairs, let's look at some of the other stuff. Look at this, $10, $10 freaking dollars for the Converse right here. Got some Hey Dude shoes. What the hell? These ain't no sneakers. The hell am I gonna do with those? What am I gonna do with this? But they still got these going for 20. Classic Reeboks right here. Converse, multiple colorways right here. These aren't the Chuck 70s. These are the regular ones, the regular Chucks right there. And then they got these things, and these things go for $20 a piece. Remember, it's 50% off the lowest ticketed price. Got black ones, got white ones. Got the Mellow. This is his first casual shoe, right? I don't think these really moved like that. I think the newer one looks a little more interesting. $50 for these. I forgot what this was called. What is it called? The Slipstreams? That's what these are called. The new one's called the LaFrance, right? Got some Romas. Got a couple of those. Some Chuck 70 lows right here, $25. We've seen these suedes, but we've never seen them for $25. Dapper Dan edition, also $25. More classic leather Reeboks going for $25. But I did an army green right here as well. We've seen these superstars at different prices. $25 here. That's definitely the cheapest. Got multiple superstars going for $25. This color kind of whatever. I think this one looks a little bit better. Got the basketball shoe right here, the Puma basketball shoe. At the 550 is going for $30. That's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen those. They're one of the suedes. Normally 110 down to 30. Usually I break things up, but I need to go as fast as possible because I need to go. I'm going to play some hoops in a little bit, so I need to meet up with some homies. $80 for these mother lovers right here. 80 for these, so 40 bucks for each of those. 35 for the forearms right here. 40 for the Zoom Freaks, way too much. 75. Remember, you don't get the discounts on the Jordan Retros, but still 75, solid price. Dolce & Gabbana colorway. Got some running shoes, some Nitros, Puma Nitros. Their premier running shoe going for 40 a piece. Shaq Victories, cheapest we've ever seen these. $40 for each of those. And then more 550s Golden State colorway going for $40. $80 for these bad boys right here, the Iversons. And then these Air Max 90s down to 50 bucks right here. RSX, got NMDs, got Kobe's right here, Kobe ones, aka Crazy Ones. 55 for the Jason Kids right there. Zoom Freaks. Do got these Question Pumps, $60. Two different colorways. LeBrons for 75. That's a hell of a deal. 75 for these bad boys right here. We've seen them for a little bit cheaper. Not this colorway though. This colorway matches with anything though. That's the good thing. Got the Responsibility 2s right here, 120. No extra discounts. Do got other stuff, not necessarily on sale, but it is on sale because 50% off. Got the Gazelle Samoas. You rarely ever see Samoas on sale. These look fire. Like love the material, love the classic look. Just not great for wide footers. But just NMDs, Crazy Ones, 4Ds right here, all 50% off MSRP. And do got other stuff right here. Got some Converse. These chucks are like leather. It's like faux leather, I think, though. I don't even think it's like real leather, but do got some of these. These are 70 each, but you do get that extra 50 off. Got the Omnis right there. Got Questions, LeBrons. Got all kinds of stuff. Air Maxes. EYBL colorway of the 37s right here. 37 lows for $195. Do got the Craft One lows right there. Then they got apparel deals, 50% off as well. So they got hoodies, $72. They got shorts right here. Shorts are normally $58, and they got 50% off for those. These are going for $80. So what, 40 bucks for that. They got the matching bottoms. They got the Christmas sweatshirts right here. Kind of looks like one of those ugly sweater things. Go for $78, but you do get 50 off. Still got the jerseys. Memphis Grizzly jersey right here. Memphis Grizzly jersey, and $120 for those Mavs jerseys. How did these not sell out? Especially with Luka in the oh, so they only have a couple, and they're both smalls. I think they're both smalls. 40. I think that's a small. Yeah, they're both smalls. And then they do have some Clippers, Paul George jerseys right there. All right, so they only have smalls. That's why I was like, there's no way those didn't sell out. I was like, is that Lakers gear? No, it's Los Angeles native. I think that's a homegrown brand, one of the local brands, which is kind of cool. There's the brand name right there. That's kind of cool that they try to showcase some of the locals. And yeah, those are 65. You do get 50 off. Got New Era gear right here. These jackets are just hella dope. $230, 50% off. Do got Rams jacket right here. And what size is this? So I believe that's a large for L, or large, or L for large. What the hell? Why can't I speak? L for large right there. And this one is an XL. Then they got these Letterman jackets. This is team apparel, NFL team apparel, $185. So those are under 100 bucks. Pro standard Lakers pants right here, $100 for these bad boys. Have tons and tons of apparel. Tons and tons of apparel. Is this still 50 and 50? I think this is still 50 and 50 because you get 50% off, and then there's another 50. It was like that a couple weeks ago. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know for sure. If it is, these are just hella bargains, $110. And then you get 50 and 50. Let me ask somebody. Yeah, it is still 50 and 50. So these $110 hoodies, Pro Standard hoodies, they're down to what, $27 or something like that. And then they do have Pittsburgh Steelers right here. This is a large, $100. So that's down to 25 bucks. You effing serious? $25. And then you got this jacket right here, $130. They got a small, they got a medium, and they got, what the hell is this? Damn, I wish I had the money to buy this for someone. Damn, dude, I don't really have the money like that. And a medium, small medium. Man, and those are $130. So that's what, 30 bucks? 30 bucks, $32, something like that. But yeah, these are steel, man. That's probably the dopest thing here. Holy cow. All right, in the middle, they got a lot of the stuff that we already saw. They do have these. These are down to $40. I might have considered this for the homie, but they only have size 13s. He wears a 13, but I think he said in basketball he wears a size 12. So he's like Bossco, who does go down half a size for hoops. But yeah, $40. I think most of the stuff we've seen. Got some Crocs right here. These are the ones with the lining though. Those are 30, so 15 bucks for those. I don't think we've seen this one anywhere, right? These are $20. This is the one that has a ton of foam on it. 15 for those right there. Lakers hats. What brand is this? Is it Pro Standard? Yeah, Pro Standard Lakers hats. Normally 40 down to 20, then down to $10. $10 snapbacks. Clippers hats right here, $10. These are Pro Standard as well. More right here. I think these, I don't see a $20 sign, so these are down to what, $17.50. More Clippers hats right here. These are $10. And then got Golden State Warriors. These are all snapbacks. Got Dodger hats up here. These are new era. These are fitted, new era fitted. A couple of sizes left. And then on feet, this is what I wore to work today. Do got these bad boys on. Jordan 3 triple white. And I just realized these came out 7 years ago. 7 years ago, 2018 release. So they're not super white. They're not super white. They're clean, but they're not super white. They have turned a little cream color-ish. And the shirt actually matches perfectly too, because the shirt's not 100% white. Instead of washing it, I already did laundry on it, so instead of washing it, I'm gonna just throw it away because yeah, I like my shirts to be hella white. I just rang up, but I noticed this. Look, dude got these bad boys right here. Dude got the LeBron jerseys. Oh, they're all small though. They're all small. So if you have a kid or if you wear a small, you know what I'm saying? That's all you right there. 50% off, so $120, right? $120, so $60. And then if you want to be an honorary member of the team and wear top and bottoms, they got the bottoms too. Don't do that though. Don't do that. Don't do that. You don't need to look like, what's that fool in that movie? Lil Rel in that movie? Whatever. But yeah, $45 for all of these. That's the sale price after, because they're normally $90. That's pretty dope. Yeah, I did grab these $40. $40 for the Mellow 2s. The black and, yeah, the black and white, right? The black and white. Super, super clean. I think that's one of the better ones. And we're out, you guys. We're out. We're done. I might have to go to some other spots. I know this video's not that long. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Man, I'm so out of shape. I did play some hoops, and I brought these things out. A lot of you guys probably don't even know what these are. These are the Why Not 0.1s, I think. 0.1s. And these are the Chaos edition. So the front totally different. On the regular ones, you couldn't see the laces, but yeah, I do wear crew socks for when I actually work out. But yeah, the Chaos. We play outdoors, so that's why I just got some budget ones. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys play with? What do you guys play with when you guys play outdoors? What do you guys play when you guys play indoors? See you. Here with Jeremiah Watkins, a big old comedy superstar. For those of you guys that do follow comedy, Kill Tony Show. He also has his own podcast, and he does I love his roadcast, all that type of stuff. KD's stand up on the spot every second Tuesday, second third Tuesday? Tuesday of the month at the Comedy Store, and then you're going on tour. But yeah, he likes the KDs. And they're only what, $50 some? Yeah. So and they're very comfortable. Not bad. Okay.
KU Kicks, and he got me a great deal on some new sneakers to hoopin'.
Who Kicks YouTube channel, check it out.
Check it out.